Friday morning hunt with friends. I'm with Boss Leo, Boss Steve who went in the water, and with Boss Summer. Setting up my spear gun today as I set up for my warm-up dive. Our hunting depth was about 15 to 20 meters, and our round trip time was 1:40 to 2 minutes of bottom time. Enjoy watching, guys. Naimamsa ni Padulong, unya kay ni U-turn man og kalit, good size na unta, it's about 1 kilo kapin. Boss Summer on his dive. Ako po ni siyang kuyugan sa ubos kay ako may videographer. And kani nga spot mo ni ihang favorite spot kanunay. Dire gid tig-agi ang mga pelagic. About 16 meters ang depth, and mga spot na mo here is dogtooth tuna, tangigi, red snapper, and dugso. Tigkaon ba mo aning mga isda, guys? Lami kayo basta presko. So 2 kill. Lami kayo ang sabaw, labi nag nilarang. Spicy, unyag daghag mga kamatis. The best. A lot of patience gud ni, guys. Munang giingon the waiting game. Patience and tolerance sa carbon dioxide build-up sa imong lawas that makes you feel the urge to breathe. Training, practice, and a lot of self-discipline yun nga sport, guys. And do not also disregard safety. Always have a safety buddy with you. Boss Summer setting up for another new dive. Ni pick up ang current niya ni, guys, ang song, ni kusog-kusog na ang song. Incoming dogtooth tuna guys. Estimated size 3 kilos. Wa mo minor guys. Dili magpakuha. Ay nako, ka-smart niya oy. Kibaw siya da unsay among tuyo karong adlaw. Alright, so 1-0 daog ang mga isda. Manguli na mi 9:30 na sa kabuntagon, nisugod mi og about 6 AM. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.